Hi guys! Sa mga naghahanap ng gusto ng instant cash flowing apartment sa Pilipinas, let me know. I have a listing that is ready to go. Ang sitwasyon ng property, pwede siyang i-assume yung loan and then just pay a cash out, or pwedeng saluhin yung monthly amortization and then just pay the cash out din. So, currently, yung apartment ay may loan na siya, but pwedeng mong either i-assume, bayaran yung balance, and then pay the difference sa seller, or pwede ding saluhin yung monthly amortization